Natalia. This envelope with all the envelopes together. Okay. Now, everyone can be please seated. Be seated. Thank you. It was meant for these guys to rise, but anyways, you are giving them most respect. They are like king and queen today, right? But see, when I say king, Sebastian, like married men are like king of England. Nobody cares about king, right? That Peter, he passed away at the age of 99. It was not so much in the news. But when everyone is praying that God save the queen in England, right? So she is always the center point of respect. But thank you very much, everyone, for rising. Okay, take the water bowl in your hand, Sebastian. Yes. You extend your right hand. He'll be giving you water 3 times, and then you'll be sipping that. Okay, sip that. Om Keshavaya Namah Swaha. Om Shri Narayana Namah Swaha. Om Shri Govindaya Namah Swaha. And you also give him water. Om Keshavaya Namah Swaha. Om Govindaya Namah Swaha. Om Madhavaya Namah Swaha. Very good. Thank you. Very good. Yes, make a sound. Okay. Very good. We have many napkins here. Okay. Thank you. You both apply tilak to each other. That red powder. Apply that dot to each other. So the Indian weddings, the Hindu weddings are witness the holy fire. Why fire? Because fire gives you two things. One is the light energy and one is the heat energy. The heat energy is used for cooking and many other things and also it is a representation of the energy that you both will be having throughout your life to sustain the life. And light energy is a symbolism of knowledge. When we have darkness, you cannot see anything. But when there is light through lamp or fire, then you can see every single thing. So we'll be witnessing fire. Who will be creating fire? Either of you? Do you guys know? Who always starts fire? Yes. So I'll give opportunity to this queen to light the fire. Okay.
Oh, sure.
You can have the longer one.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Set everything on fire.
Yes, very good. And you can just put that thing also inside. Put the whole thing, no problem. Okay. And then I'll be offering ghee. Ghee is the fuel. You need fuel to light the fire. So you just both have both palms together and then praying to God. Fire. Om Agne Swahidam Agneidam Namama. Om Vayave Swahidam Vayavedam Namama. Om Akashaya Swahidam Akashaidam Namama. Om Prajapate Swahidam Prajapatedam Namama. Om Varunaya Swahidam Varunaidam Namama. Om Gandharvaya Swahidam Gandharvaidam Namama. Om Apsarbhyo Namah Swahidam Apsarebhyo Idam Namama. Om, for all the planetary forces, we are invoking the blessings from them too. Om Suryaya Swaha. Om Chandramase Swaha. Om Bhaumaya Swaha. Om Budhaya Swaha. Om Brahaspataye Swaha.